National alert. National alert. All regular programming has been suspended due to the activation of the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
Please stand by. The President of the United States will speak on all stations shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, along with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 5:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, a global emergency has been activated around the world. A shocking discovery has been detected by NASA. Unicron, who is a transformer-like, has been spotted heading towards our beloved planet Earth. It is believed that Unicron is so gigantic and powerful that it will eat the entire Earth, and all life on the planet will be killed. The cause of this deadly event is from the mysterious key that has been spotted by other evilness transformers. Reports say that the other good transformers tried to destroy the portal but failed. It is confirmed that this is no way of stopping this situation from escalating any further. There is no place to escape from this catastrophic event. Go into panic mode. All residents in the United States and the entire world is advised to gather with family members and loved ones, and brace for the end of our beautiful Earth. Romans 6:23, as I would say our prayers for Earth. Lord help us all. This station will be signing off for the final time as the playing of our final national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system. Goodbye everybody, and may God help us all.